is short now, but I want to say that we are all responsible for tomorrows. I think our sisters here, when we're talking about her daughter, we are all responsible for the future of that girl, for the future of the children of the world. We are responsible for the children of Africa, of Southern Africa, that in every 5 children, 4 of them are malnourished. We know about these figures. We cannot. Every time that we put a food in our plate to eat, we always have to remember that we have to continue to struggle so that that food can continue on our tables and that can be safe and that can really bring what we need as a nutrition. So we have to fight against everything that can be opposing that possibility. We have to think about water. Can you imagine if you didn't have water to drink today? Can you think, you know what is the temperature from where we come from? It's 40 degrees all over the year. 40 degrees, over 40 degrees. Do you imagine a life in that situation with no water? There is no alternative. And people are dying because they have no water. We have to continue fighting for the rivers, for the forestry, for the air that we need to breathe. There's no other speech we can make for closing our social women's assembly. We needed this space to say, we cannot postpone the struggle. We cannot postpone the possibility of building collective solutions. This has to be our life. This has to be our strength. This has to be our dream. When we close our eyes to sleep, we have to dream with those solutions. We cannot ask outside. We cannot ask the UN because UN have no ideas. Or they know, but they don't want to talk about that. That's why they are united with all the global forces to put much more army, much more guns and soldiers in our country, saying that they want to put security to protect us. But women, when they are walking on the streets, there is no security to protect them because they are raped every day. They are sexually abused every day. Where is the security to protect women? And even when we want to organize march, we need to ask for permission. But then